A mother just wanted to pass a semi on Interstate 70 headed west early Sunday evening, but another driver wanted to pass her even quicker. The road rage incident started about here and lasted some 13 miles. Amanda Cook says she was going around a semi-truck in Morgan County at about 74 miles an hour in her GMC Acadia when a silver Volkswagen Beetle driven by Jonathan Wiseman came up behind her at a high rate of speed. Cook says she honked her horn and threw her hands in the air, afraid of being rear-ended. After both cars passed the semi, Wiseman allegedly pulled alongside and pointed a handgun like this at her, with her 6- and 11-year-old daughters also in the car.
The mother was distraught, as you can imagine, but what's more importantly, the children were distraught, and that was very disheartening to our troopers that were on the scene. These young girls were terrified, but did heed the directions of their mother and get down.
Cook called 911 and sped up to 19 miles an hour to try to get away. State troopers intercepted the cars in Putnam County. Wiseman pulled over and was arrested. The 26-year-old from Plainfield faces a felony charge of pointing a firearm and a reckless driving misdemeanor. He told the arresting trooper, "It was stupid. I shouldn't have done that."
Take that extra time, count to 10, and calm yourself down. If you're the person that appears to be the victim of a road rage incident, don't get in a hand gesture or staring contest with the other driver. Just ignore that driver, and if it persists, dial 911 and we will get you help and we will take care of the situation.
Wiseman is due in court in Putnam County October 31st. I'm Rich Nye, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.